Okay, sorry, I got so used to pressing the streaming button, I need to press the record button. Okay. Hi everyone, and welcome to a quick Mighty Ginkgo tutorial. My name is Zero, and I will be your instructor, rushing you through this lesson. So, we're here today to show off our new plugin that we released called Shimmer. Because why sparkle when you can shimmer? I am not going to stop saying it. Okay, so what this tutorial is like, have you ever been in a situation where you had a mesh and a bunch of mesh pieces and you joined it together and then the texture blew up? Like the texture was just gone. It was like a solid piece and only one part had the actual texture while all the rest of them were combined down into this little tiny speck inside your UV window? No. Yes. Well, I'll just show you what it looks like if you were to do that. So let's say we take this hair, for example, and we press Control J and we joined it all together. And of course, now that I start recording, that's when my cats want to go crazy. And we're like, yay, the hair is one. Let's go add our texture to that. So you go over here to yonder and you're like, bro, I forgot how to add textures. Oh, it's materials. I'm in such a rush. I'm sorry. There's a taquito waiting for me. I'm in such a rush, I keep forgetting what to do. Alright, so we go over here to our material slot and we want to add our texture to it. So I'm just going to go here and I'm going to open up textures. Hopefully I have a texture folder saved. I do not. Oh, I have this one. Alright, let's just use this texture then. Okay, so when we have the texture on, we put it in texture mode. You see that part of the texture went, but the rest of it is all solid. I mean, even if we go to the material section here and we try to add in the texture again, you'll see that it's just a solid blonde, and that's not good. You can go into edit mode and you can see that while this part, if you select this, was textured, there's the UV map. When we try to select the other texture, it's just not here. So how do we fix this? Well, there's a number of ways to do this. First way is the manual way. It's by going to wherever the UV maps are, these, and renaming them all the same thing before you join them. And then once you join them, it should fix the problem. The second is the paid program, which Avastar creators had created. It's called Sparkles, and it had a feature that allowed you to select individual maps that are here and then try to join them all together when it's already joined. The downside to that is, if you've seen our previous tutorials, in the newer versions of Blender, because this was made for the really old Blender, older than the ones I use, it breaks. It doesn't give all of the parts that you're here, so you're still missing some of the maps. And that sucks. Also, she stopped working on it, and I think it got discontinued, so it doesn't work for a newer version of Blender. Even though I'm on Blender 3, and that's considered old now, it still don't even work up to here. So you're kind of screwed doing it manually, right? Well, screwed no more. Let us introduce you to Shimmer. Shimmer is a program that I've put together, a little add-on, that does the manual work for you automatically with the press of two buttons. The first button is the Fix UVs, which you would do in object mode before you join, and the second one will join the UVs and make it work. Don't you do it! Don't you do it! Bad cat, get. Sorry about that. So let's do this and keep on pretending like that ain't happened. So I'm going to press Control Z a couple, well, I don't even know what button to push now. Control Alt Z now, to bring up this, and we're going to go back a bit before we joined. So we have our nice plain part. So we're going to select our mesh, all the meshes. You can just press A, because that'll do the same thing. And then we're going to open up our Shimmer tab by pressing the N key. How did it get over? Damn that cat. It'll be on the right side when y'all do it. I don't know how she knocked it over here. Anyway, so we're going to get Shimmer, and while everything is done, we're going to press this button that says Prepare for Join. Okay. You can press it a couple of times. This is what I'm used to doing. So it tells you down at the bottom, prepared 47 objects. You can now press Control J to join. So do what it said and press Control J. So once it's done, you can see we can press this and move it around and we have one. Now if we were to go and add our material, our texture here. Oh, I gotta do it again. Oh, I guess I gotta do it again. Alright, so upload, just pick the texture. You can see we still have the same problem where the texture came in on one part but not the full thing. So to fix this, we go back to Shimmer and we press the second button in edit mode that says fix UVs, merge into one. And now you see the texture has been applied to the whole thing. Now if we go to the second material, we can do the same thing and do this. So now you see the texture is on here. And now that's it. That's all you got to do. And now it works. So I hope that this helps you guys out with your project. So when you're combining things and making things work and you don't have to do it manually, this will do it automatically and hopefully save you some time and effort. So I hope you enjoy this I want to say program, but I hope you enjoy this add-on. I hope it makes your stuff easier, and good luck on your projects. Remember, if it helps you, this thing is free. So if someone tried to charge you for it, you're being scammed. Unless you're donating to me, then it's not a scam. And I would very appreciate it because I love monetary gifts. But if you cannot pay money for this, I like it if you can just go and give me a star on GitHub because that makes me smile too. Not as much as the money, but it still makes me smile. Okie doke, I gotta go because we have another big plugin to do a tutorial on, and that one is huge. So see you guys later, and good luck on your projects.